Hello students, welcome to online classes of St. Joseph English Medium School. Today we are going to learn biology lesson number 6, life process. Biology lesson number 6, life process. Before starting lesson, we will discuss the small introduction. In small classes, you have already learned the characteristic features of living and non-living things. So now you can easily say that the difference between what is alive and what is not alive means what is living and what is non-living. The movement is an indication of life. The movement may be visible or invisible. For example, shouting, chewing, running, etc. are visible movement. Even animals or human were asleep, they show breathing. This is also visible movement. But some animals and growth related movements in plants, they are not visible, still they indicate the life. The movement of molecules not visible to the naked eye, which helps us alive. So using visible movement as the defining characteristic of life is not possible. The movement of molecules necessary for life, it helps repairing and maintains the structure of body. Now we come to our topic, life process. Students, life process means the process carried out of all living organism in order to sustain the life. Then otherwise we can explain that the essential process that need to the survival of organism. There are the different life processes are there. Nutrition, digestion. First one is nutrition, second one is digestion, third one is transportation, next respiration, excretion. There are different the process, the life process are different. Nutrition, digestion, transportation, respiration and excretion. These all life process that is take place inside our body. Now I will explain with the help of a flow chart this all life process in a short way. Every living organism, their body perform different physiological activities. For this physiological activity, they need energy. For different physiological activity, all living organisms need energy. All living organisms, they get energy from the food. organism, they get energy from the food. Process of intake of food, nutrition. First one, the process of intake of food, nutrition. Then when we eat the food, this food goes to esophagus, and from esophagus to stomach. Then food materials, complex food materials convert into simple absorbable form. The food materials, they are complex food part that is changed into or converted into simple absorbable form during digestion, at the time of digestion. Second one, digestion. When we eat the food, in food materials, complex food materials are there, it converted into simple absorbable form, that is take place during digestion. Next, the simple absorbable form of food, that is transported to different part of our body. Students, in this process, all life process are take place inside the body. The absorbable form of food transported to various part of body. Absorbable food transport various part of body. This is transportation. Transportation. The next, absorbable food during respiration, absorbable food breakdown. The breakdown of food in presence of oxygen and release energy. This take place during respiration. Breakdown of food and release energy during respiration. For sustaining life, this all biochemical, the process that is take place in the body cell. During biochemical process, useful as well as harmful substances are produced in our body. So accumulation of these toxic substance or harmful substance is the very dangerous to our body. So it is necessary to remove the toxic substance or harmful substance from the body to time. Removal of waste material. At the time of this biochemical process, food converted into energy, that time useful substance are produced as well as harmful substance. This useful substance that absorb our body. Harmful substance is deposited in our body, that is very dangerous. So it is necessary to removal of this waste material from the body time to time. So next process help the body to removal of waste material. Removal of waste. Last one, excretion. Students, in this flowchart you understood this all life process very well. I hope that all life process take place inside the body. Nutrition, digestion, transportation, expiration and excretion all. When the food converted to energy, that time toxic and harmful substances are produced and last removal of these waste. So we can say that whole life process, this whole life process are connected with each other or interconnected with each other. They help continuously. These all are continuously functioning and helps the body to keep healthy. So the next section, we will discuss all life process, detailed study of nutrition, digestion, transportation, respiration and excretion. Their detailed study we will discuss on next session. Thank you, students.